Hello, and welcome to the How to Succeed in Business and Health channel. BaldwinBitcoin here. Wanted to let you know that I just created a guaranteed sales advert. Now, by doing this, it helps me unlock the time frame where Sell My Data participants can receive their monthly installments. Initially, it is every year you will get $401. If you verify every day, that can turn into $580 per year, ranging between 35 to 40 to $43 a month. Okay, now that being stated, in order to unlock that, so you can get paid monthly, I have begun the guaranteed sales advert process. The guaranteed sales is the generation of an extra 155,000 net profit from web sales with guaranteed sales. So for those that are looking to advertise their company, this is a package that I purchased, and I will definitely document those results. The process was pretty easy though. It took a little longer than normal. They have to confirm your purchase, of course. I paid in Bitcoin, but I got my confirmation address through Coinbase relatively soon, and then that was followed up with an email from 5 billion sales with a confirmation number in correlation with Coinbase. Um, so let me go to my moneymaker and show you just how to create guaranteed sales. So guaranteed sales, you click on it, and upon doing so, you'll be brought to this screen. It gives you steps. You order your advert, you view and manage your advert, you create and edit your advert, and then you add guaranteed sales to your advert, and then earn from data sellers and advertisers, which is something completely unrelated. All right. I wanted to tell you that there are two types of guaranteed sale adverts. The first one is a standard. Now, this delivers an agreed number of qualified visits in a set period of time to a business that does not make online sales. I repeat that it does not make online sales. Delivery is 1 million ultra target visitors every year. Okay. So this will be for if you have an online store, but you cannot make online sales with standard adverts. For instance, let's say that you had a blog and you just wanted to get advertisements to that. And in that blog, you might have a couple affiliate links. Talk that over with the company. They may let that not qualify as a standard advert, but a guaranteed sales advert. Now, the guaranteed sales advert is for online only, and that website has to make online sales. Okay, it has to make online sales. The net profit is 155,000 delivered 3 times or every 4 months in a year period. Now, I purchased the guaranteed sales. It came in. I just purchased one to test it out. We'll purchase more if I start seeing results quick enough. That being stated, it's $269. I paid in crypto and was able to get almost penny for penny with that minus the fee. So I ended up sending perhaps 270, 271 perhaps dollars, and voila, I have my ad. You can click test advert now. What this does is it asks you about your ad, what it does, just to see if it qualifies as an standard advert or as a guaranteed sales. I didn't need to do that because I know that the site that I entered into the advert is an online purchasing sale. Okay, there it is. It's 269 yearly. You don't have to pay just in crypto. They take Swift, bank transfers, bank wiring. But I wanted to do this ASAP. I didn't want to wait any business days. So hence why I did pay in crypto. Okay. Now, if you recall in other videos, you have to pay 34%. 34% of 155 is $52,700. Okay. So in order for them to give you the advertisements that can make you $155,000, they're not doing that for free. You need 34% of that to give to them. I will say this. I noticed this while making the purchase. For now, they're taking money only after you make your 155,000. So get in now. That's why I didn't delay, and I just wanted to see the results and also make a video to show you how to sign up for guaranteed sales, because it said soon. In escrow, you'll have to pay the 52,000 up front to receive your $150,000 net pay. Okay, so I just wanted to make sure you knew that. Oh, here it is right here. Soon they'll change how it builds. Instead of billing you after delivery, which I qualify for after delivery, new advertisers will need to fund an escrow with a 34% profit share before delivery. Okay, so prior to delivery. Okay, so since I've already have an advert, I can go here. It says zero not created, but how did I find that on the last one? Let me go here and see if that's it. No, I definitely don't want to do that. Here's the adverts, guarantee sales ads. Perfect. Okay. All right. So this will show you the ad that I created. You had to download a picture, upload a picture. Be sure the pixelations are appropriate. I had to resize them to make sure that they fit, but they let you give two pictures. They'll rotate, and they let you give two descriptions, and they rotate as well. But it was published, as you can see, March 5th. As soon as I was done creating the advert, immediately it was published. It had a success. It's been published. It'll probably be the thumbnail to this video. I screenshot that. But just want to let you know what they ask you on guaranteed sales. I'm not going to create one now. And you have to be in queue. Your sale has to be in queue for you to get access to what you actually do in the back office of creation. But in a nutshell, you enter your URL, you test it to make sure that it's deliverable. That's the first thing you do. Second, you choose which standard ad or guaranteed sales advert you wish. You have to guarantee that you make sales online. If you are using the guaranteed sales, then it asks you how much will you make. So they ask you detailed specifics about your sales adverts. I'll give you an example. If you are doing CPA and you're running an affiliate offer, you can use guaranteed sales. Okay, provided that there's a product on the end. Now, if you were just using CPA for sweepstakes and you just want to get paid for the sign up, that would qualify as a standard. But they still need to know how much money you could possibly make. So if you are doing CPA and can make $2 off of each confirmed email, then there's your answer. It's $2 per signed email. My situation, guaranteed sales with my BBC Global, you can come in at $100. You can come in at 100,000. So I had to enter a little bit more info because there really is no average. I just get 25% commissions on all packages. So I want to tell you something too before I'm done. Just I hope I remember to do that. It lets you add pictures. Be sure you have those resized. Then you give a description on why you think that you could be a good fit for this program. Very, very simple. And then I went to create my press the create button, and voila, now I have my first published guarantee sales advert. I made a video earlier that had the video detailed me actually making the purchase. The video detailed me creating the ad. I did press pause because I wasn't going to give the keywords that I used and things like that, just because. Um, but I unpaused it when it went to, okay, are you done? I went through the props, and then power was interrupted. I have no idea why, but I looked down and this was going crazy with my internet. So the video's gone. I could edit it, but I don't do edits. As you can see, I log on, I create the video because I'm giving you the real of the video and don't need anything fancy, no intro, no fancy outro. My channel is just delivering results and numbers. But what I wanted to make sure that you knew, because I wasn't for sure if my creation of the advert went through 100% successfully, I called their customer service. 5 billion sales general guaranteed ads customer service. It actually was a number that came with my email, came in the email from 5 billion sales confirming that I had made the purchase of my advert pack, and if I had any questions to call them. Well, not only did I just have to call once, the phone rang twice, and I was on the phone for about 15 minutes picking this representative's brain about guaranteed sales and how they work, just to make sure he knew what he was doing. He helped me go back. Actually, they had saved all the way up until I had the last field to fill in, before I got disconnected right here and had to create what I thought would be a new ad. But over the phone, I was allowed to just continue where I started. After getting off the phone with him, I came back to my study, pressed a couple yes, confirmed, yes, I'm finished, and then within moments, boom, it was published. Okay. And what I love about this is it lets you test your advert. So double your crypto in 48 hours. I have videos documenting that. The name of the company is mybbcglobal. Link is always in the description. Will forever be in the description. Make some really good commissions, but I have a video actually withdrawing that commission to my Coinbase and withdrawing it through PayPal that's connected to my Coinbase. Great video, just a few minutes long. Be sure to check that out. But you can double your crypto in 48 hours. And for those who have not been introduced to my BBC Global, it's by invitation only. Okay. You can't just go online. You have to have a referral. And as you see, this is mine. Baldwin Bitcoin, presented by Baldwin Bitcoin. And it's just a really good opportunity to double your crypto. For those who missed out when Bitcoin came out on the ground floor, this is similar to that. Very good. Any information you need, I've made dozens of videos about it. Now, going back to 5 billion sales, this is the advert. This is my website. This is literally my website that I just paid for the guaranteed sales within 5 billion sales. And everything comes up just as if I logged in myself. As far as affiliates, this is probably reaching close to 1,700. There are 100 countries globally. BBC's issued was just a little under 700,000 last that I checked. Commissions paid have fluctuated because they play you in Bitcoin, but it has fluctuated between, um, with commissions between 120 and maybe 130,000. And out of the commissions paid, I have received my nice fair share of it. So I think this is be a good go for 5 billion sales. Okay. And 5 billion sales are promising me that they can bring in up to $155,000 worth of sales with BBC Global. And we'll see. So I can't wait to document that to show you. But this was more of the affiliate aspect of using the marketing feature of guaranteed sales, bringing in an additional, possibly bring in an additional $155,000. You just have to agree to pay them 34%. In one of my videos, I asked, would you be comfortable giving someone almost a third of money that you made, to spend $270 and have the potential of making $155,000? It was a no-brainer for me. If they do not deliver what they promised, they don't charge you. So if I only made $100,000, they're not taking 34%. That's in fine print. Be sure you check that out, on one of these tabs. Okay, in their FAQs. But this is it. This was my purchase, and it was just fairly easy to do so. Again, you want to go to adverts and go to all my ads once you have purchased it, or guaranteed sales, or your standard ads. These are the advertiser's terms. I'll give you the option to go and view those at your leisure. But I also wanted to check one more thing before we got out of this video, and that was to see what my commissions look like thus far. I checked yesterday, and I think I was at 4,000. This is to sell my data. These are for those who have come in and not only downloaded the browser, but have validated their usage of their data. And it's at sell your data, I believe. Okay. And moneymaker. I think I just keep going back and forth. There are so many. Okay, for commission. So in the past day from last night's video, it has gone up close to $1,100. I think I was at 4,000 even, not for certain, but now commissions earned is at 5,100, meaning that 51 individuals have actually signed up, made the extension, made the download of the extension, and have validated their account. And by doing so, there was $100 paid to me per person that did that. Okay, so that's why it's at 5,100. And watch it say there were 51 members who have done that. Now, out of the 216 people that have actually signed up, 3/4 of them have not validated their account. They have not, even if they've downloaded the extension, they haven't validated. It's a simple button that you have to validate. All right, so please do that, because you're missing out on several dollars a day, and you are also you're not sharing it with anyone, so you can get numbers like this. All right, but 16.5 is commissions credited, and then you have the 51 with commissions earned. Um, Messages, I have 766. This keeps going up. For those in my sell my data who have signed up after me, to get paid 10 times faster, I have to make purchases of guaranteed sales. So I just wanted to let you know I'm keeping my word. I did do that. Okay. So to go through the 10, get paid 10 times faster, and you'll understand how that works and why you will not be able to cash out monthly until I set that up on my end. Okay. All right. So that's it for today's video, at least for now. That was how to create a guaranteed sales advert. Fairly simple, and also an update on commissions. And now I am a part of the faster payments, or the 10 time faster, and will try my best to get as many guaranteed sales out so you will not have to wait any more than 60 days for your first payment, and then receive monthly payments after that for life. All right. Okay. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.